This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Great home at the end of quiet Cul de Sac includes lot next door for extra privacy. This popular floor plan features vaulted ceiling and gas log fireplace in living room which opens to a partially covered deck. Dining area has bay window and tray ceiling. Kitchen features pantry, lots of cabinets and counter space. Primary bath with walk-in closet and additional closet in bedroom. This home is freshly painted inside and out, has Anderson windows, 7-year-old Lennox heat pump and 7-year-old roof. Newer gutter guards in back of home. Hot Springs Village boasts 9 golf courses, 11 lakes, pickleball, hiking trails, white sand beach, tennis, fitness center, indoor and outdoor pools and so much more. Half an hour from Hot Springs or Benton and 1 hour from Little Rock Airport.